Hi guys, today's 9Honey kitchen hack is how to make the ultimate checkerboard cake for any party that you're having. And basically when you slice the cake and pull it out, it has this beautiful checkerboard effect that looks really complicated, but is actually incredibly simple if you know what the trick is. All you need is 2 vanilla cakes and 2 strawberry cakes, and then some cookie cutters. We'll cut the middle bits out, swap them all around, and when you stack them and ice them and cut them, you get this beautiful checkerboard pattern. It sounds like it's going to be hard, but I promise you it's really easy, so let's give it a go.
Using the larger of your 2 cookie cutters, cut out the centre of each cake and set it aside. If you don't have cookie cutters, you can use anything round as your cutting guide. Next, with the reserved cake centres, use your smaller cutter and cut the middle out of each one and set the pieces aside. Now, take the tiny cutout centres, swap them all around and slot them back into a cake that's a different colour. Then, take those pieces and put each of them back into the outer section of cake that's a different colour again. This will create concentric circles of colour inside the cake. Last of all, ice and stack your cake in alternating layers of colour, keeping the icing between the layers nice and thin. I like to use Swiss meringue buttercream because its silky texture is really easy to work with, but choose the icing you love and go for it. And keep the decorations really simple so that the effect is all in the magic pattern reveal. And when you slice that cake, there's your beautiful checkerboard finish.